Hello friends, today we will discuss a very important topic of reasoning, that is seating arrangement. In seating arrangement, as we all know, these type of questions are based on information and conclusion. Questions are also given and we have to find the conclusion, but we have to first arrange them so as to find the solution. So many types of seating arrangement are questions of many types of seating arrangement are there in the reasoning part, like rows type of question in which people sitting are in rows are given, and questions based on circle are given, question based on square are given. So first of all, let us see the questions based on rows, concept of questions based on rows. So if in rows also there are two concepts, then if the people are sitting facing towards north, and direction if the people are facing south. So let us first see the direction of the people if they are facing north. If the people are facing north and sitting in a row, then their left side will be this side and their right side will be this side. And if in a question it is given that A is sitting second left of B, then we all know that if A is sitting here, then this is the left side and second left of B means 1 and 2 place. So B will be sitting here from A. Okay? And if it's in the question it is given that if a person is C and he is sitting towards right of A, then immediately right of A, then we all know that if A is sitting here, then C will be sitting here immediately right of A, because this is the right side since they are facing north, that means up. And we must all know the directions also. So as we all know, this is the north direction, this is the south direction, this is the east direction, and this is the west direction. And between these directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Now the second concept is this: if the people are facing south, if the people are sitting in a row and they are facing south, then their right side will be this side and their left side will be this side. It is just opposite of the people are when the people are facing north. And if in the question it is given that a person is there, a person A is there, and he is sitting towards left of B, then if B is sitting here, then left of B means this side. That means A will be sitting here. Similarly, if in the question it is given that C is sitting towards left of A, that means C will be sitting here if A is sitting here. Now another type of questions come from circle. If the persons are sitting in a circle, so let us see the questions based on circle. In the circle also two types of questions come. People when sitting facing center, and people sitting in, and they are facing outside the circle. So when people are facing center, then their left side will be this side, that means in the clockwise direction. And the right side will be anti-clockwise direction. And when the people sitting in a circle and facing outside, then their left side will be anti-clockwise direction. and their right side will be clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. This is the, when people are sitting in a circle and facing the center, then their left side will be clockwise direction and their right side will be anti-clockwise direction. And then when they are sitting in a circle and facing outside the center, then their left side will be anti-clockwise direction and their right side will be clockwise direction. So when we arrange, we must remember all these points so that we can do the questions easily.